Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the folder structure of Laravel 8. So let's start with it. So this is the Laravel 8. Okay, so we have the app, and here the HTTP controllers where we are putting all the things that we are putting over here in the controllers. This is the API folder for the API, so you can create controllers according to it and name it to get the API's data. Okay, so here is controller. We are going to create middleware. So here we are adding the middlewares like bypass something or authenticate something to the users or any API. So we are using the middlewares in that portion. Okay, so if we have the exception files for the exception handler, and we have the console commands here. Models, user model is by default when you try to migrate. If you have, when you are writing PHP artisan migrate, so all the models are over here, like users model. You can going to create programs, training, any user, any table any table or the database table you want to create and use it via model, so you are going to add it over here. Okay, so model is a basic functionality. So we have the main functionality, this app folder. You need to know about the resources where blades are working on. So here we are going to put the HTML files over there. Okay, so in the views we are going to create multiple folders and link it to the front end in the views directory. And after that we have routes. For the web we are using the web app.php, and for the API section we are using the API. So here the vendor folder, which whatever command you are running through the composer, all the stuff will go to the vendor directory, and you can use it via like classes or something else to get all the data from these models from this vendor panel. Okay, so the config file we have the app.php database. So this is basically the, here we have the sanctum.php for authentication, and all data is just written over here, middleware and all the data thing. So the main security things are there. Okay, so this is configuration database. We have migrations, all the migrations we are creating over here, it will come. And migrations, then we have a seeders, like default you can see, if I want to add 100 users without adding or inserting something, so you can use the database seeder, or you can make it the loop functionality, so that it will whenever you run the seeder command, and it will automatically create the data, fake data, to your table, so that you can do the manipulation over here. Okay, so this is the BC folder structure. Routes is defined. Resources views are there. In app HTTP controllers, you need to define the controllers which we can get the data, fetch the data, or something manipulation is done in the controller section. Okay, so I hope you will understand the basic layout or folder structure of Laravel, how we can, this basically model view and controller is there. And in the public folder we have the assets. You can use the assets over here. So, or in resources you can also use the same for the JS, and the CSS is here. Okay, so this is the structure of the Laravel, or the folder structure of Laravel 8. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, just do the comment, I will explain in that tutorial. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.